Okay, so let's say you're working on some sort of onboarding, and then you have a page that it sort of works like this. You press the next and you get a different illustration with some sort of text and another next button. But I want to animate this SVG. We're gonna wanna go to the store, and you're gonna type SVG, and I just think called Animator. And it's created by Benjamin Boer. And install it. It's gonna take a second. Go to your components. You're gonna bring the animator here. Actually, you're gonna, I can just remember this thing is 169. So I want to make this 169 as well. 169 as well. And this is 122 and 198 from the top. So I'm gonna take this out here. I'll put it here in the middle. How is it? No. Whatever. And then, so next time when I'm in the page and I just click next, this thing is gonna animate. Now, this by far is the fastest tutorial I have ever done. So I'm sorry, but that's how you animate SVGs. That's the fastest way to animate SVGs on FramerX. Okay, that was the easiest tutorial I have ever made. Thank you for watching Lulatorials. I'll be back hopefully soon. Okay, bye.